this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about food. I'm going to be sharing some easy, healthy and yummy smoothie recipes with you guys. Now you can have it as a smoothie bowl or you can just slurp it up like a smoothie. It's totally up to you. I'm super excited for this video, so I'm currently going to the grocery shop to get some groceries like some fresh fruits and vegetables because these are going to be 100% healthy smoothies. So we got all our groceries there at the back and now we are headed home to make a breakfast smoothie. It's a berry smoothie which is literally like a dessert. It feels like you're having dessert for breakfast. It's one of my most favorite smoothies. So let's get started. Hey guys, I hope you are enjoying the recipe so far and I'm kinda craving something sweet right now. It's currently 7:30 and I just finished my dinner and I want to have something sweet right now, so I thought I'll make one of my most favorite smoothies that my mother used to make when we were kids. So it's very simple. It's made of apple. It just tastes like apple pie and that's one of the reasons why I love it. Also, I was in the process of doing my skincare and that's when I thought I should show you my new favorite skincare product. Now I've already spoken about this on my Instagram. So this is the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. So this moisturizing lotion is enriched with vitamin E, which is really good for your skin. It nourishes, hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Also, the best part is this is suitable for all skin types. Let me show you the texture, and this literally smells like Johnson baby cream. It's just got like a very pleasant scent. Oh my god, this reminds me of my childhood. So like I told you, the texture is very light. It is non-greasy. So once you apply it on your skin, it does not feel greasy or heavy at all. This blends in very well. So this is even perfect when you want to apply before makeup. So yeah, this is my new favorite moisturizing cream or moisturizing lotion and I just wanted to let you guys know about this. So now that our face is well moisturized, it's time for a dessert. So let's go take a peek on how I make an apple pie smoothie. like a perfect dessert after a long day. I'm so loving this. With this, I'm going to end the video right here. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you happen to try any of these recipes, please do let me know on my Instagram. I would love to know how you guys felt about them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram for a lot of other fun content. I will see you super soon in my next one. Until then, bye.